Welcome to Northern State University in Aberdeen, South Dakota. Located in a vibrant community of just over 28,000 people, our campus is a perfect blend of historic charm and modern amenities. Here at Northern, you'll find over 50 academic programs and more than 40 student organizations, all dedicated to helping you unleash your potential.
Join us as we explore the campus, meet some of our amazing staff and students, and discover why Northern State University can be the perfect place for you to thrive.
Depending on what you are studying, your major will fall into one of the 4 colleges or schools here at NSU. These include College of Arts and Sciences, School of Business, Millicent Adkins School of Education, and School of Fine Arts.
Hi, my name is Riley. I'm a junior here at Northern State University. I'm on the Northern State soccer team, and I'm a part of Fellowship of Christian Athletes, and my major is chemistry for pre-pharmacy.
This is the heart of student life, the Student Center. This hub is where students meet, eat, and hang out. Right behind me is the admissions office. Whether you're planning an in-person visit or looking for more information about enrollment, our friendly admissions team is here to help you every step of the way. Next, we have the Student Affairs Lounge, which is your go-to for everything from housing inquiries to scheduling counseling sessions. Over here is the Student Organization Hub, designed with student input. This space boosts natural lighting and flexible seating, perfect for club meetings or just hanging out. Don't forget to visit the Wolf Shop for some Northern swag and your everyday essentials, all conveniently located right here.
Hi, I'm Jaron Gross. I'm a senior music education major from Piers, Minnesota.
This is the Learning Commons. It was built to be our one-stop shop for students looking for help. There are several study spaces available in the room, as well as several tables out in the lobby for you to work at. There's also comfy seating options, fidget toys, a fireplace, and even a snack and tea bar as well. There are tutors here throughout the week for a wide range of subjects. There's a math tutor here every day and several other tutors here throughout the week. And if you even excel in a subject, you can become a tutor yourself.
Hello, my name is Anne Sarah. I'm an international student. I'm from India. I come from a small state called Kerala. I'm majoring in psychology with minors in business and pre-nursing.
Our career service team is ready to assist with job searches, resume building, and more, ensuring you're prepared for life after graduation. Don't miss the Tech Center upstairs, where you get support for all your technology needs at no extra cost.
Welcome to the Johnson Fine Arts Center. Reopened in 2016 after a $14.2 million renovation. It houses state-of-the-art facilities like the Black Box Theater and soundproof practice rooms. Whether you're studying digital media or music education, this is where creativity thrives.
Here at the Jewett Regional Science Center, our students enjoy hands-on learning with facilities like a cadaver lab and a diverse range of study spaces. Opened in 2019, this $25.2 million building is a statement to our commitment to provide top-tier educational experiences.
Hey guys, my name is Liv. I'm a psych major. I'm from Rapid City, South Dakota, and I am a captain on the track team this year, which is pretty cool. Northern has a rich history as a teacher's college, and the Millicent Adkins School of Education continues that tradition. From state-of-the-art classrooms to hands-on learning opportunities, our programs are designed to prepare you for a rewarding career in education. Our building for ed majors is currently under construction, and it will be done in the fall of 2025.
Hi, my name is Abby. I'm a freshman here at Northern State University. I am majoring in digital marketing, minoring in ag business, and I am from Westington Springs, South Dakota. Behind me, you can see what active construction site of what our state-of-the-art business and health innovation center will soon be, anticipated to open in late 2025. This center represents a major investment in the future of Northern State University, replacing the old Lincoln Hall and Briscoe Hall with cutting-edge facilities for banking, finance, business, accounting, entrepreneurship, and nursing.
My name is Carter Muller. I'm a junior here. I'm from Mitchell, South Dakota, and marketing is my major. Northern's athletic facilities are second to none. From the Bob Olsey Strength and Conditioning Center to the newly renovated sports complex, our campus offers a wide range of athletic opportunities that keep you active and engaged.
And fun fact, we do have 2 homecomings here at Northern. One on this very field for football, where we have over 7,000 attendees, as well as alumni members, and a second one in winter during basketball, where we have the highest attendance out of the D2.
Hi, my name is Snow, and I am from here on South Dakota. I am a junior here at Northern, and I am majoring in special and elementary education. Our residence hall are ranked number 1 in the region. We offer a range of living options suit your style.
Whether you prefer a suite style room or a vibrant community of a pod style living, there's a place for you here at Northern. And if you have a furry little friend, feel free to bring them to our Macado Welsh Hogs.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Northern State University. We hope you've gotten a glimpse of what it's like to be on campus and a part of our community. For more information or to schedule a visit, please reach out to our admissions office, and we look forward to welcoming you to the PAC.
Go on!